So, dear students, from today onwards, we'll start with the next chapter, that is 8051 timers slash counters. So, this is the topic from third unit, second part. So, before going to start with this 8051 timers slash counter, first I would like to tell you the basic idea about this 8051 timer slash counter. So in 8051 we have two timers. We have two timers. Okay, two timers. The name of the name given for these two timers are T0 and T1, that is timer 0, timer 1. And these two, timer 0 as well as timer 1, both are of 16-bit wide. Both are of 16-bit wide. Okay, and if I take this timer 0 or a timer 1, if I take timer 0, that is of 16-bit wide. Okay, in this timer 0 I have two more registers, that is TL0, TH0. Okay, so under this timer 0 we have two more registers, that is TL0, TH0. So T stands for timer, L stands for lower byte, 0 stands for timer 0. T stands for timer, H stands for higher byte, 0 stands for timer 0. So these two are of 8-bit wide. Please note, these two are of 8-bit wide. So this 16-bit wide timer 0 is having two 8-bit registers inside, both are of 8-bit wide. By bit presentation it can be shown like this. Okay, so if I take this 0th bit and if I take this 15th bit, right, so in between somewhere here I will get the 7th bit. So which will be the TL0 actually? The TL0 will become this one, from 0 to 7th bit, and from 7th bit to 15th bit it will be a TH0. If I combine these two, then what I will get? I will get the total T0, that is timer 0. Okay, so similarly if I take, so this is all about timer 0. So similarly if I take timer 1, if I take timer 1, again in this we have TL1, right, TH1. So these two are of again 8-bit wide, and this is also a 8-bit wide, right? So if I take, so the timer 1 is of 16-bit wide. So in this 16-bit wide timer 1 we have two 8-bit registers, that is 8-bit timer lower byte 1, 1 stands for timer 1, and one more timer higher byte 1, that is 1 stands for again timer 1. So again by picture it can be shown as I said, I talked about the timer 0. So this is a whole, this is a timer 1. So this is TL1, this is TH1. So 0 to 7 it is with respect to TL1, from 7th to 15th it is with respect to TH1. Okay, so the next is in the next session, what I will talk about is, so this timer 0 and timer 1, these two works with respect to two more registers, that is T mod register and T con register. So these two registers works with respect to, one more way I can say, these two timers will be started or will be stopped or will be worked with respect to these two registers, that is timer mode control register, timer control register, that is T mod register, T con register, and these two are of 8-bit wide. Thank you.